Hello everyone, I hope this is the video. Yes, so if you want to fix the problem Adobe Error Code 182 that we face during the installation, I have got the simplest method to solve this problem. You don't have to go through any complicated steps. I am going to share the simplest method and it will take highest 2 to 4 minutes to solve this problem. So what is our first step? You have to open File Explorer and navigate to your downloads folder where the Adobe installation files are typically get saved. Then you have to locate the Adobe installation folder. If multiple versions exist, you have to choose the most recent one containing the setup executable file. So here is the file. I have attached a screenshot for your easiness. And then you have to avoid path related installation issue. You have to right click the folder, select the cut, paste it to your desktop, and then you have to rename it to something simple like Adobe install. And here is the thing, after that you have to open the folder and double click the setup file to begin the installation. That's the simplest method how you are going to solve this problem. You don't have to go to any complicated steps. I saw many of the video that shows very complicated steps. So that's all for the video. I don't want to make it any longer. Ta-da.